Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of 4a is equals to 4 times of square root of a, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here in the first method, we break this square root sign, and we apply the square root separately on both of these two values, and it will become the square root of 4 into square root of a is equals to 4 times of square root of a. And in the next step we have, this is square root of 4, and square root of 4 becomes 2 times of square root of a, and this is 4 times of square root of a is equals to 4 times of square root of a. And in the next step we move the terms 4 times of square root of a from left hand side to the right hand side. We move this term to the right hand side, and it will becomes 4 times of square root of a minus 2 times of square root of a, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And in the next step we have, here you see that both of these two terms involve square root of a, so that we will be take common square root of a from here, and we get the remaining values are 4 minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we have, this is square root of a into 4 minus 2 becomes 2, and this whole equation is equal to 0. And now we divide both of the sides by 2. So you see here this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we get here square root of a is equals to, here you see that when we divide 0 by any 2, we always get the answer is 0. So here for the values of a, we need to remove the square root sign from left hand side. So for this we take squaring on both of the sides. So these 2 and square root are gone, and we will get here a is equals to, here you see that 0 square becomes here 0. So in the first method we will get only one value of a, and that is a is equals to 0. But now here in the next steps we need to verify that is this value of a be the solution, or is this value of a be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of 4a is equals to 4 times of square root of a. So here we substitute the above value of a on both of the sides, and we check its behavior. So when you put it here, it will becomes square root of 4 times of 0 is equals to 4 times of square root of 0. So we have 4 times of 0, 4 times of 0 becomes here square root of 0 is equals to, this is 4 times of square root of 0. So this implies that square root of 0 becomes 0, and this square root of 0 is also becomes 0, and 0 multiplied by 4 becomes here 0. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value of a is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is a is equals to 0. So in the first method we will get this is the only one root of the given equation, or only one solution of the given equation. This is the final answer which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of 4a is equals to 4 times of square root of a. So here in the second method we first remove the square root sign from both of the sides, and then we get the roots of this equation. For this we will apply squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring it will be written as 4 times of square root of a and its whole square. And in the next step here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as in this form. So here you see that these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here 4a is equals to, here you see that the square of 4 becomes 16 into square root of a and its whole square. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here 4a is equals to, this is 16 times of a. And further in the next step we have, here we move 4a from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will become 16a minus 4a, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we have 16a minus 4a becomes here 12a, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here for the values of a, we need to remove this 12 from left hand side, so that we will divide both of the sides by 12. So when we divide by 12, it will be written as this 12 and this 12 are gone, and we get here our a is equals to, this is 0 divided by 12, and 0 divided by 12 is equals to 0. So here you see that we will get only one value of a, and that is equals to 0. So, but in the first method, we already verified that this value of a is satisfied our given question statement. So finally, we have the solution set of this problem is a equals to 0. So this is the only one solution which we get here in the second method, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.